Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for Ucard benefit in United Healthcare in 2025. In order to do that, first of all you have to come on this website, which is www.uhsc.com. After that, after coming on this website, just simply click on this medical button over here in the top. Now here you have to enter your zip code. You have plans Adobe. Find the right medical insurance plan in your area. By entering zip code, you can just compare the more plans what you have in your area. So if you want more options, just simply click on the shop medical plans. Now just simply click on the explore plans. Now again over here as well you have to enter your uh, zip code as well. So this is the examples of the plan. You can compare with what you want. After selecting the plan, what you have to do is to ensure you are enrolled in United Healthcare Medical Advantage Plan for 2025. The U card is specifically available to member of these plans. Now once you enroll, you will receive your U card in mail. The card serves as a your member ID and provides access to various benefits. If you haven't activated your card yet, you can do so through the following method. Visit the activation website, activation, which is this website, activate.uhc.com. Just simply go over there, and from here you have to sign in first, and after that use the United Healthcare mobile app for activation. Using your card, the UCard offer multiple functionalities, including they provide visits and prescription fillings, purchasing eligible items. You can use the card to buy over the counter items and healthy food at the participating retailers like Walmart and Walgreens. Now you can pay utility bills as well and gym membership as well. So this is how you can apply for uh, U card benefit in the United Healthcare 2025.